I'm pleased to be here. And look, first may I acknowledge and thank you all in anticipation of your contribution to this discussion and in the longer term, the project. We recognise the need for traceability. It's important to have access to current and relevant information being made available to both sides of any transaction. I think we all agree that overall we view digitalisation as a key platform to gain a competitive trading advantage. We also believe that there's a lot of opportunity to improve on-farm productivity and importantly, retain or grow the trust of all supply chain participants through our open and transparent systems. So I'll just conclude by saying that this project has the support of the industry.
Can I ask a question, please? Andrew Aldrich here on telephone. I mean, it sounds very good. From a farming systems point of view, though, I believe the risk for some of this instantaneous stuff is actually overly weighted on farmers due to the fact that we, along the supply chain, we are the ones with the least control of the environment in which we are in. So, for instance, at the moment, she's pretty wet down here and we've got quality issues because of the seasonal conditions. So how in an instantaneous world can we allow for the flexibility that the environment can sometimes force us into?
So we're all wanting these faster payments. This is what our brave new world will give us. An example is what we talk about in our smart trucks. And the smart truck can show up at a dairy. The milk is loaded into the smart truck. The GPS coordinates are taken. The date and time are taken. The compartment in the truck is recorded. The information is automatically transferred along with the volume to a processor before the truck even leaves. Instant data. Now, when we have that instant data, then we can do faster payments, invoice-less payments, as I described that Coles did. Instant traceability, it's on the screen. Product authenticity, it all adds up. I can run AI over the top and say this product came from there. There's examples of that in the meat industry at the moment. And when you walk down this path, and we'll touch, I touch on it in this slide here, what will it cost me, right? Because at the end of the day, these questions are all about me. It's like, what is the impact to my business? What is the impact operationally to me? The first question that must always be answered is, what will it cost me?